In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your Replit app. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. By the end, you'll have a live link you can open, share, and use right away. First, create your app by entering prompts. If you're using a template or an AI-assisted setup, Replit will guide you with short questions and suggestions as you build. Take a moment to review what's generated and make sure it looks the way you expect. If your app includes a web server or a front end, glance at the preview to confirm everything loads. This is just a quick sanity check, so you know what you're about to publish is what you intend to share. Once your app is created and you're happy with how it looks, click on Publish at the top right. You'll typically see this button in the workspace header. Think of Publish as the one-click path from your development environment to a shareable, hosted version of your project. You don't need to worry about servers or complicated configuration here. Replit handles the setup behind the scenes. Just make sure your app doesn't expose any secrets in the interface or the code that will be visible on the public site. After a bit of loading, Replit will set everything up and give you a live link. You'll see a progress indicator as it prepares the deployment, and once it's done, your link will appear. This is the URL you can copy, paste into a browser, and send to anyone who needs access. Open it in a new tab to see your app exactly as others will experience it. If your app is interactive, click around and confirm it responds the way you expect. The first load might take a moment depending on what your app does, so give it a few seconds if needed. That's really all there is to it. From here, you can share the link with teammates, friends, or users, and they'll be able to access your new app immediately. If you make updates later, just return to your project, make your changes, and publish again to refresh the live version. Keep the link handy for quick demos, feedback sessions, or showcasing your work. And there you go. You created your app by entering prompts, you clicked Publish at the top right, Replit handled the deployment, and you received a live link you can use and share. That's all. Simple, fast, and ready to go.